Skip Scops Hello YouTube, welcome back. If this is your first time here, I'm the Posh Boss. I'm a Poshmark ambassador, and I'm here to teach you guys how to run a successful Poshmark closet. In this video, we're going to go over bundles, teach you guys how to set one up, how to send one out, and how to close those offers. We're going to teach you how to posh like a boss and get that cash rolling in. Alrighty, so on average, I'm usually able to close at least a bundle a day. A lot of people have been asking me for some of my tips and strategies on how I'm able to be so successful. So I figured why not sit down, give you guys some of my tips to see if I can't help you guys close some of these bundle deals. Alright, so first, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what a bundle is for anybody that might be new to Poshmark. So let's go ahead and get it. Alrighty, you guys, so it's pretty simple. First thing you're going to want to do is obviously open up the Poshmark app. On the front screen, you'll be able to scroll down to the bottom. Once you get to the bottom, you're going to see a category that says News. It's located right next to the Sell button. You're going to want to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to open up a page, and you'll see in the right top corner where it says Likes. Go ahead and click on that button as well. And what that's going to do is it's going to take you to the category where it shows all of your different likes that you've received on any items that you have. So you're going to want to select the item that you're trying to make the bundle for. And go ahead and click on that individual's name. So you'll see that ATL as in NYC. You're going to want to open up his profile or his closet and click that top button up there that has the little bag. Once you click on that button, it's going to take you into a screen that has these three little dots located up in the top right corner. You're going to want to go ahead and select that, and it's going to go ahead and open up a couple different options for you. You're going to want to scroll down to the option that says Switch to Sell View. What that's going to do is it's going to bring up all the different items that this person has liked from your closet, and you'll be able to select the little shopping bag icon in the middle. You see that right there? So you're going to click on that, and that's going to bring you to this page where you're able to create the offer or the bundle that you're trying to offer to this individual. It'll give you the amount you're offering and your net earnings. And then as you see up at the top, it'll give you a breakdown of the discount and the actual price and everything that you're working with. So if you're okay with that, you'll scroll up to the top and click submit. Alrighty, you guys, and my biggest tip for closing those bundles is anytime you guys get a like, you're going to want to make sure you reach out, comment, send them an offer. The more offers you send out, the better chance you're going to have of closing those deals. Alrighty, you guys, so if this helped out at all, make sure you subscribe for more content like this. Don't be a pooty booty. Make sure you get out there and try to do some bundles. If it does work for you, make sure you leave a comment below. If you have any questions, also leave them below. That's what I'm here for. Make sure you catch me on the next video for your next lesson. I'm out.